Assalamualaikum. Today we will present about our assignment of this subject, which is differential equation. But first thing first, I would like to introduce my group members. For the first one, we got me, myself, Muhammad Imam bin Ishaq. And for the second one is Muhammad Daniel bin Rozani. And then Muhammad Kashful Azim bin Kamarul Arifin. And for the last one is Muhammad Hafizul Hadi bin Haidi. So this is the question that we would like to present, and the question is y double prime minus 10y prime plus 9y equal to 5t, but it also given that y0 equal to negative 1 and y prime 0 is 2. By this question, we can answer it by using two methods. The first one is undefined coefficient method, and the second one is we can use the Laplace transform. And then by using the undefined coefficient method, which is the first method to answer this question, the first step is we need to find the value of m1 and m2 by replacing the m with y in the equation, and then make the equation is equal to 0. And finally we got the answer is m1 is equal to 9 and then m2 is equal to 1. And after that, we can determine the equation, which is yht is equal to ae power of 9t plus be power of t, because the value of m1 is not equal to m2, also known as real and density. And then for the second one, when we know the m1 is not equal, m1 and m1 is not equal to 0, we can get the equation, which is yp equal to a1t plus a naught. And then we need to differentiate this equation to get the yp prime and yp double prime. And the answer for yp prime is a1 and yp double prime is 0. And after that, we need to substitute yp prime and yp double prime into original equation. And then we got the new equation is negative 10a1 plus 9a1t plus 9a0 is equal to 5t. And after we got the equation, we need to compare left and right equation. And for the first one, for t power of 1, we got the value of a1 is equal to 5/9.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Kashful Azim. Alright, to get the value of A0, we use the equation that obtained at t power of 0 from previous slide that Aiman explained. And then we need to substitute the A1 value, which is 5/9 that we found. And after solving the equation, we can get the A0 value, which is 50/81. After that, we need to substitute A1 and A0 value into the original YP equation and get this equation. After that, based on the general equation, yt equal to yh plus yp, and get the equation, which is this. And then we need to differentiate the yt equation because we need to use to solve the initial condition problem. And then we need to use this given initial condition to solve the problem. By using the initial condition at general equation y0, we need to substitute the all value that have term of t in the equation to become 0 equal to negative 1. After that, we after solving the equation, we can obtain the equation 1 and rearrange the equation 1, we can get the equation 2. Then, using the initial condition at differential equation, which is y0 prime, we need to make same step, which is we substitute the equation that term of t to become 0 equal to 2 and get the equation 3. Next, we substitute the equation 2 into the equation 3 and we can get the b value, which is negative 2. After that, we substitute the b value equal to -2 into the equation 3 and get the a value equal to 31/81. And the last step, we need to substitute a and b value in general equation of yt. And then we get the final answer of general equation, which is this equation.
So Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafizul Hadi bin Hadi. So we continue with question 1, Laplace transform. So the question is the same, y double prime minus 10y prime plus 9y equal to 5t, and it give y0 equal to -1 and y prime 0 equal to 2. So first we put the question in the equation, okay, and then we know that the formula for Laplace transform is s square ys minus sy0 minus y prime 0 minus 10 times sys minus y0 and plus 9ys equal to 5 times 1 over s square. So first we substitute the value y0 and the y prime 0, this -1, 2, and then -1. Okay, after we substitute the value in the equation, we get s square ys plus s minus 2 minus 10 times sys plus 1 plus 9ys equal to 5 over s square. So the 10 we must times in the multiply in the bracket. So we get s square ys plus s negative 2 negative 10 sys minus 10 plus 9ys equal to 5 over s2. So after that, we move the -2 to the underside. Okay, we get s square ys minus 10 sys minus 12 plus 9ys equal to 5 over s square minus s. After that, we must move the -12 to the other side too. Okay, and then we get s square ys negative 10 sys plus 9ys equal to 5 over s square minus s plus 12. So the left side we must factor to ys times s square minus 10s plus 9, so equal to 5 over s3 plus 12s square, and then over s square. So after that, we go to we move the equation in the left side to let the ys stay at the left side. So s square negative 10s plus 9 move to right side. So we get 5 minus s cube plus 12s square over s square times s square negative 10s plus 9. So the equation we factor, and then we get 5 minus s3 s cube plus 12 s square over s2 times s negative 1 minus times s negative 9. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel. I will continue my presentation by using partial fraction decomposition. The equation will be ys equal 5 over 9s square minus 2 over s minus 1 plus 50 over 80 1s plus 31 over 81 in bracket s minus 9. And then we take out the 81 outside the bracket. The equation will be 1 over 81 in bracket for 45 over s power s square minus 102 over s minus 1 plus 50 over s plus 31 over s minus 9. So when we multiplied 1 over 81 with this number, we can get the same equation before that. And lastly, we take inverse Laplace of both sides. The equation will be 1 over 81 in bracket 45t minus 102 e power of t plus 50 plus 31 e power 90. That's all from us. Thank you.